Hello, guys, and welcome to Eagle IFX. And of course, we are the #1 YouTube channel for your Forex education and also #1 in giving high win rate signals. Guys, remember to show some love by subscribing to this channel and by liking our videos, because when you do that, YouTube suggests it to more people, and by so doing, will help us to be able to empower more people. Guys, remember also we have a Telegram group for those who are interested in joining free signals. We send there, and for also those who are interested to join our VIP group, you are also welcome. The link is on the description below. So as usual today, guys, I'll be going through market analysis. I'll be going through three currency pairs. Number one, I'll go through Audusd, and then I'll go through Gbpaud, and also I'll go through Gbpcad. All right, so let's start with Audusd, and I'm on a monthly time frame. And the reason why I start from the monthly time frame is to try and just find out the general move of the market. So we can see that the market has been on a bearish move, and now we see some sort of bullish momentum. Okay, so if you can mark our highest zone, this could mark this as the highest so far we've seen on Audusd. Okay, then we have we can mark this one here is the lowest Audusd has been. Then our recent low is that particular level over there, right? So also we can mark this because we saw the market reversing here. Okay, yeah, and even if I extend it a bit, you can see that it comes all the way here. So you see rejection here and here. This was a double top, and see the market fell all the way to this particular level over there, right? So let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see that the market came to find support. You can add this level here, okay, and maybe change this color, because you see that some sort of support here and break and retest to the down, and you see a break also and support. All right, the level of interest. Okay, then also we can mark here, this has been the highest on the weekly, and mark that particular level on the weekly. So the monthly is this color and the weekly is this color. Let's go to the daily time frame. So now on the daily time frame, you see something interesting here. Okay, and I will begin by drawing my zones here. So already I can see a level here. Why have I drawn that? Because I see some level of support here, and also I see some rejection over there, and also I can see this part here. I see the market came all the way here to reverse, so we can draw this as well. And the reason for that is because you see the market came here and reverse, came here to form some sort of double, triple bottom before it went, came here, broke and found support to go. And we see here a break and some sort of consolidation in the retest, and the market went down. Okay, so from this I can see a break. I see that Audusd has been able to break this zone, and it's almost like it's trying to I see a break. Okay, it's like it's trying to find some support on this level before it can continue shooting up. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see if maybe we can get some nice entries. Okay, so here also you see another level over here. Okay, you see another level over here. So let me change the color so that it's not confusing and be able to see that. And it's because you see here market reversed here with some fake counts, reversed, was able to break and find support over here. All right, then also I can still draw this, because I see that this market has really been obeying this level here. Okay, Remember, there's nothing like a perfect trend line, right? But you can see rejection here and here. The market came down and went almost to this level, and now the market is coming, is trying to push down. All right. So what do I see here? And even if I clone this, one, I can still put it here, because this market has really been obeying this level. Sorry for that. Let me draw this nicely. Try and make it a bit more clear for you. Okay. So what do I see here? Because you see here support, some level of support, then break. The market was able to break and find support on this trend line. So yeah, so if I remove this, remember here, if I remove that, you can remember we want to try and make our charts very clear and clean so that we are not confused. Okay, yeah, so we don't want to be confused. Let's go back to this color over here quickly. Then let me also change this quickly so that it's one color. All right, then let me extend it a bit so you can see that this has been the place whereby Audusd has been playing. All right, because you see here some level of support here, then we see also some level of support here, then we see rejection here. So what I've seen here, what I've noticed here is that it looks also like an ascending triangle. But what I've noticed here is I've seen a break, and it's like Audusd is trying to come and find support in this level here. So I see a break, then coming to find support before it continues going up. Let me first of all extend this a bit. What I mean is this: I see a break coming to find support here so that it can continue being bullish, right? So I will be interested as long as this level can be able to support. And I can see also some pin bar. Let me look at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so from the 1 hour time frame you can see here. Yeah, so I'll be interested in buys here. I'll just enter my buy here. I'll put my stop loss just below this level here, and then just target this place here, 1.5 RR. Okay, that's one way you can do it, just here, as long as it's at this level is able to support it. As long as this level is able to support it, then you can see that you can look for buys. And then what you can do is you can target this level over here. All right, you can target this level over there, because you see support here, you see this level also able to support up to this place here. So you see that you enter your buy, put your stop loss just somewhere below there, and then target this place over here. Okay, so you can try to see if we can get maybe 2 times. Okay, 2 times. I think 2 times will be fine. All right, yes, so you can just enter here, put a stop loss just below here, then target this, and that will be a clean 2 times. Okay, all right, so if this we have to cater for all possibilities. So if this market is not able to hold, then to come all the way to this level over here, then maybe find support here, then you see that you now be interested in buys up to that level up there. All right, so for Audusd, as at now, because I see a break and some sort of retest, I can see some sort of like a pin bar here, I'll be interested in buys. Okay, then I'll put my stop loss somewhere around there, and then I see if I can be able to catch some 2 times my risk, okay, something of the sort. So if you want to know my actual entry, my actual stop loss, my take profits and everything, then you're free to join our VIP group, and the link, as I said, is on the description below. Right, let's go to our next pair, which is Gbpaud. So we start from the monthly time frame to try and find the general move, right? And from that, you can already see that Gbpaud is on a bullish movement. Okay. Sorry for that. So you see that Gbpaud, it's really on an upward trend like that. You see this level being respected. That's the reason why I've put my trend line over there. Then also you can draw this here, this level here. See up here, you see also some sort of rejection, or you can actually make it into a zone. Okay, and make it into a zone because you see some sort of support here. You see a break and a retest, and then we can draw this as the highest level so far. So it came all the way down here. Now it's trying to find momentum to push up. And also here, there's also another level over here. If you look at it well, you see that there's some level over there. All right, but anyway, let's go down further. Let me change this color so that it's not confusing. Okay, when I go to the weekly time frame, you can see that there was a trend here. This is what we call a trend inside another trend. Okay, you see there's some sort of like a trend here. Let's change the color to black so that, yeah, so you see that this level is being obeyed. Then you see a break, then this level was this trend line was acting as a support, now it's acting as a resistance, and that's why you can see that this market got here, it was rejected, then here you see a very strong bearish momentum to the down. So you can see that here you'll be interested in sales up to this particular level over there. And how many pips are those? Wow, 945 pips. Okay, remember I'm on a weekly time frame. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, as you can see, this really a downward trend. Okay, it's really been on a downward trend. Now what we can do is here, I see a level here, some sort of like a zone here, not some sort of like a zone, there's a zone here, and as you can see, there was a rejection here, double top, the double top to the down. Then you see this market was moving up to here, and this market now is trying to come down. So you see that this market could easily come to this level before it goes back to that level, or this market to easily come and break and come all the way to this particular level over there. So on the daily time frame, there's still some small opportunity, to catch some sales from here up to this level down here, right? I don't know how many pips are those. Hey, all right, almost 200 pips. Such a big move because I'm on a daily time frame. Okay, yeah. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame, what do I see here? So there is some level here, as you can see, some level over here. Okay, and because you see that this market really found support when it was able to break, it really found support in this place until now it was able to break that that level. So I'm on a 4-hour time frame. Let me go back to the daily time frame, and you can see that this level that I've drawn here, if I extend it, you see that it's actually this level here. Actually, this level here is rejection, 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 some sort of support here. So this is a very legit kind of level. So on the 4-hour time frame, that's a level where the market, will reverse. Okay. So for me, what I'll do on this instance here, I'll rather be patient and wait to see if the market will come to this level before now I can buy. So that's one way that this market can go. Or this market will easily, because you see some upward movement, can easily come to this level before it falls down. So I'll rather be patient to see how this market is going to play out. If I go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see that this market is almost forming like lower lows and lower highs. So we don't know if it's preparing to come and break this level here, but you can still do this. You can still come here and draw this because there's a small level here. Let's change the color. I don't know if you can see that, but let me make it a bit more brighter. Okay, so that's one level there. Then that's another one over there, right? Yeah, see this this level here, and this move almost 70 pips, not bad. Yeah, so this a place that the market is really playing, and you can see that draw your trend line like that, you can see that this, so if it breaks and finds support, then I'll be interested now in sales. So you can take your first profit here, then take your next profit down here. All right, but what I said I'll do is to rather be patient, because I like using higher time frames to get confirmation, because it works perfectly for me. So from the 4-hour time frame, I'll rather wait to see how this market is going to play out. If it's going to come to this level, then I'll look for sales. All right, okay, but if then it comes to this level, then you see that I'll be looking for what? For buys. That's what I will do. So for now, I'll just hold on and wait to see how this market is going to play out. Okay, let's go to our last pair, Gbpcad, and as usual, I'll start from the monthly time frame. So Gbpcad has really been consolidating. You can see that there's a lot of some sort of consolidation. Okay, and it's almost forming like a decreasing triangle like that. Let's see, maybe it's preparing. We never know. Maybe it's decreasing. Maybe it's preparing to either break out. We don't know yet, but that's what we can observe generally from the monthly time frame. That is what I can see on Gbpcad. All right, Gbpcad. That's what I can see. Let's see if maybe we can draw some trend lines, because as you can see, these are some level that Gbpcad has really been respecting. You can see here and here and here and here and here. Okay, from the monthly time frame, let's go to the weekly. So from the weekly time frame, can see also this. You can draw a trend line on the wicks or on the body. It's according to you how you like. I've not seen any rules. Okay, so that's something here, and then that's another level that I've seen. Gbpcad, see reversal here, some breakout, but it came all the way here. We can mark this as our highest on the weekly, and came back, rejection here, rejection, some fake people. It was going up, then we see a lot of that. And you can see also this one is like also decreasing, so perhaps it's decreasing to be able to break out. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, you can see again a lot of consolidation on this, a lot of consolidation on Gbpcad. Okay, so it's not giving us a clear direction, but we can try and see if you can be able to analyze it. So in this particular level, what I'll do is I'll just keep observing Gbpcad, because I would like to buy when it's on a lower level here. Maybe we can do this, because you see that you see there's a level here, and then you see that there's a level here. Okay, there's some sort of level there. Alright, so if you enter your buy here, you can catch almost 130 pips. So you can enter your buy here, put your stop loss somewhere around there, just catch maybe 1.2, sort of, yeah. You can do that. Okay, that's one way you can do it, or you can just wait for this market to play out, because when you go to the 4-hour time frame, I see something here. I see something here like this. I see that this market has not been able to see here. See here, rejection here, able to break rejection. Yeah, so you can still see that it's actually a descending, maybe it's preparing to break out. So what I'll do here is I'll rather be interested when it's here. If it comes here, and then I see that this place is able to reject it, then I can now enter my sales to this level. When it comes here, I'll be interested in buys up to this particular level over here. And as you can see, this move is almost 90 pips. All right, so for Gbpcad, it's not very clear because there's a lot of consolidation, and I can see a lot of decreasing triangles, and then something of the sort. And you can see that even from the weekly time frame, as if a Gbpcad is preparing for a breakout. All right, so let us know on the comment section what you think, and share with us your thoughts. Remember to like and to subscribe. Remember to share this video. Remember to join our free Telegram group if you're interested. The link is on the description below. This is Eagle IFX signing out.